Hey guys, I'm Abhinav. Welcome to the channel. In this video, we are going to see about why TV lenses are so expensive and bulkier. So without wasting time, let's get started. The first reason why a typical box lens is so expensive is because of their focal length. A typical box lens varies from 8.8mm and goes all the way to 800mm. It has such a big of range, and that determines its price. And the second reason why a TV lens is so expensive is because of their aperture. In 8.8mm, it starts from f1.7, and at 800mm, it maxes out at f8. And it's mind-blowing because it's so hard to manufacture a lens which has 1000 times focal length range and has sufficient aperture for a broadcast. And the third reason why it's so expensive is because it's parfocal. If you set a focus in 8.8mm and if you zoom into 8000mm and it doesn't lose focus on the subject, it's so hard to manufacture a lens such like that, and that defines the reason why it's so expensive. And this is the first video in this series, guys, the TV camera. Make sure to like this video, and should I continue the series, tell me in this comment, and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you will never ever miss any of my updates. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.